I would like to know where's the right places that I can put the stethoscope to listen the hard sounds.
We have a bony notch, and then from there we will count 1, 2, and then right intercostal space, which is spaces between your ribs. We will
Alright.
find our aortic, right?
Alright.
And then on the left hand side, which is we will find our pulmonic.
Pulmonic.
Okay, from the second intercostal, we are going to hop one finger space, so we will find the herbs point. This will be in the third intercostal, and then after that hop on another one, so we'll be the fourth intercostal. We will find the tricuspid, and we will go to the fifth intercostal, but this time this will be your mitral valve, will be in the mid clavicular line. And then we are going to use the bell for our for the apical, because this is where we will find the point of maximum impact.
Okay.